ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ సొసైటీ మర్చిపోయారు. దే ఫర్గాట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రియల్ పొటెన్షియల్. 150 years, 160 years ago, Swami Vivekananda once again made everyone to wake up and realize the real power within. So he always called, raise, awake, stop not till goal is reached. With that kind of a great message, the what Bhagavad Gita he has translated to the real language, real life, and then spread across. So but every message you see here, when you really connect to that message, suddenly you really see the power of within you. So every message is actually about yourself. Like all power is within you, all knowledge is within you. You can do anything and everything. See such a great message. So such powerful messages has to go at the age of the children and the youth. Yes, they should get that kind of the strong power within. Realize at that age. If you are neglecting at that age, what is happening, you know already what is currently situation happening for the teenagers and youth. Because once they cross the certain age, it's very difficult to control the mind. And at that time, it is difficult to get the clarity of mind also. That is why, so clarity of the mind should come from the age of that boy, very early age. So that is what the power is. So I'm trying to bring that culture, where we have that kind of a culture to give that power from the beginning, where the child is from the womb of the mother. The teaching the Bhagavad Gita, teaching Ramayana, or whatever all these knowledge before giving the birth, mother attains all the knowledge. So that is what this current society is missing. That education is not starting at the womb. So that is why education is a manifestation which is already there in man, he says. So that realization, how it will come? When we have that real teaching from the womb itself. So in my case, that is what happened because of my great mother. So all the time she never left Bhagavad Gita from the beginning. So because of the Bhagavad Gita, from whom itself I know all the Bhagavad Gita. So it's formed, but it's not that I can chant all the slokas etc. But the message is very clear. Why I born? So from the beginning itself, I got the very clear clarity about the life. Yes, I born for this purpose. Everyone used to surprise, why he is talking like that? And I born for this purpose, I this only. Okay. So that way I dedicated from my childhood itself, and then use this proper this life and energies and everything time for the proper use. So nowadays, if you look at and it comes to the teenager youth, once you complete the education, or graduation or post graduation, see what you did past is nothing, isn't it? But because of this kind of a knowledge in the beginning, this kind of education, that empowers child to do from the beginning that potential, use that potential from the day one. So that is what Lord Krishna says, right? So he used the power from the minute one. He started from the minute one his work. See, as soon as he born, he started his work. See the greatness. So that way, as soon as you born, you realize the purpose, you start the work. Then see how much work you can do during the life. Life is short. And this will vanish, this body vanishes sometime. But how do we have to utilize this body? That clarity has to come in the beginning. So to bring that clarity, that samskara vidya, actually what I did all the research, why it is happening, all these problems in the society. Then what I thought, yes, it is missing. Where from the parents, from the grahasthashrama, Grihasthashrama is completely spoiled, completely distracted. Now, ashrama dharma is not happening in the house itself. There is no Graha Sabha, there is no group meditation in the house, there is no group Swadhyaya. But these all our culture, Sanatana Dharma culture. So, all of us sitting together, meditating and studying the Bhagavad Gita, understanding and connecting each other. And then treating everyone in the house as a God. Then that harmony starts. That harmony brings the happiness in the house. That happiness brings the health in the house. So to live the healthy life, so what we need? Harmony. Within the house, everyone has to respect each other first thing. So that's why to bring that culture, Grihasthashrama, a lot of discussion was going with my mother also and in the society also. The Grihasthashrama is completely corrupted. Why we should enter into that corruption? So let me first revamp this Grihasthashrama Dharma. So that is why I told my mother in the beginning itself, yes, let me dedicate myself. First, let's see, don't put me into that dirt. Let me purify this first, this Grihasthashrama Dharma, and bring that. So bring that culture again, Sanatana Dharma, into every house and every person. So that's what I've taken a mission with the making this what we call as a Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, the one global family. So for me, because of, after getting the core knowledge from the Bhagavad Gita, everyone looks like my own kin and kin. And then I see everyone is same self. So that's why the practicality of the Bhagavad Gita in day-to-day life helps you to grow in that passion, grow in that real potential. So that is what you see. Either the book I told you, the Man's Eternal Quest, or the Yogi's biography. So all that, complete the purpose of this life has to be clear. What is the purpose? So that a goal, right? He told, arise, awake, stop not till goal is reached. But what is the goal? But nobody has the clarity what is the goal. So that is why that clarity has to come in the beginning. So I started these inspirational messages to the young children when I was in the school. So that helped me. So of course this cycling also I did only to inspire people, not for just world record, but that brought me world record also. But